Right, hello. It's a little bit windy. I hope it's not going to affect the audio too much. But I thought I'd do a video on some summer bedding, annuals, whatever you want to call them, filler plants. So we've got a Eocene here, which is the pink type. So this is a plant I bought last year and overwintered this one indoors, and then took a load of cuttings, rooted them out and sort of spread them about the garden to add a bit of colour and interest. So they're real nice bright colour. We've got Ossicoleus, which is another good filler plant. So I got a packet of seeds from Wilkinson's Rainbow Mix. So obviously you never know what you're going to get. You get good variation in colours in them. So I started them off a bit late, to be fair. I think I started them off in late May, just in the conservatory, and then when they got to a point that they were big enough to divide, I divided them into clumps and stuck in various places. This is probably the biggest so far, and I guess they're traditionally sort of more of a shade plant, but here in the UK we don't get that intense light, and I think they do appreciate the full sun position. I'll give you some more examples. I've got several dotted about. So again, just a clump of Coleus there. Another clump there, again some sort of variations in colour. Quite nice. There's another cutting of the Eocene there. There's some of these Coleus are not hardly grown at all. This one's, yeah, quite tiny. This one's quite an interesting one. Quite like the leaves on there. So yeah, with the Rainbow Mix you do get a good variation. Now, these are quite nice. There's sort of different leaves, aren't they? And got a bright pink on the leaves on there. So yeah, they're just sort of dotted about all over the place. So another one, good sort of summer bedding, is the sweet potato vines. So I think this one's Purple Heart, sort of heart-shaped leaf, really sort of dark underside, and they sort of, you can have them in pots trailing over or just creeping along the ground. I think they look quite nice either way. I've got a couple more examples over here. So we've got like a lime one there, sweet potato vine, and we've got sort of if you can see it there, sort of bronzy coloured one. But again, just the little gap fillers, if you like. So yeah, these are all sort of cheap, quick, easy plants to chuck in the ground. I did have a nice Eocene here, which is I think that's cherry, which is sort of a bit darker than the pink ones, but something's been munching on that. It's a shame, because that's yeah, quite a nice leaf on that one. So yeah, I mean, where there's a little gap, stick a little annual in, and they normally do quite well. So that's just a couple of the annuals I'm using this year. So another one, obviously you got your small. These aren't doing too well, to be fair. Some impatience there, they're New Guinea impatiens, so they'll be like a bit hotter. So they're sort of they've done okay. It's not probably a good example. I've got a better one over here. So you've got nice sort of corally flowers on them, then you've got the nice foliage as well, the dark undersides. They're quite nice. So you'll see them sort of dotted about in various places. There's another one here which is doing quite well. I think they prefer a little bit more shade. This one seems to be doing better. More of a pinky red flower on them ones. And then for real cheap, quick fix for colour and ground cover, these standard impatiens, which you get these in the blister packs, if you like, of I think you get them in sixes or eights, I can't remember. There's little tiny plug plants. I think they're about $1.99 for 6, and obviously when I bought these they were just the flowers, you couldn't see what colour, so it's just like a mixed colour. So I mean I pot them up at random, but they lucky didn't really have too many colours the same next to each other, so we've got a good combination of colours, which look rather good around the base of the bananas in pots there. So yeah, it sort of feels in any sort of loose open soil, and looks rather pretty. Yeah, they look good. So we'll leave it at that for the annuals, and thanks for watching.